Reproduction in Paramecium. Reproduction in Paramecium takes place by both asexual and sexual method. Asexual reproduction takes place by transverse binary fission. It is a very common type of asexual reproduction in Paramecium in which the parent cell divides into two daughter cells. It occurs during favorable conditions when there is a sufficient food and appropriate water temperature. Asexual reproduction involves following successive steps. Paramecium stop feeding and attach to the substratum. Cilia and oral grooves become dysfunction and gradually disappear. Micro and macronucleus elongates. Micronucleus divide mitotically and macronucleus amitotically, where simple constriction without spindle formation. Dividing knots or constriction develop at the mother body. Contractile vacuoles divide unequally into two, each associated with a system of radiating canal. Appearance of oral grooves, one in each anterior and posterior half. The furrow further deepens inside until the cytoplasm is completely divided into two halves. Two daughter paramecia of equal size and a complete set of organelles are formed. Anterior side is porter and posterior side is called opisthe. Sexual reproduction in Paramecium. After repeated binary fission of up to 300 successive generations, Paramecium lost their vigor for further division by binary fission. To gain the new vigor, they need to reproduce sexually by conjugation, by which there is exchange of nuclear material. Individual participants are called conjugants. The entire process of conjugation takes place through following successive steps. Two adult paramecia of compatible mating type come into contact along their oral groove. Due to loss in feeding apparatus, they stop feeding. Macronucleus of each conjugant degenerate and disappear. Micronucleus divide twice meiotically to produce four haploid nuclei in each conjugant. Out of four micronuclei, three degenerates and disappear. The remaining micronucleus of each conjugant divide mitotically into two unequal pronuclei. The larger one is non-motile stationary called female pronucleus and smaller one is motile migratory called male pronucleus. The migratory male pronucleus are exchanged between conjugants crossing the protoplasmic bridge and is fused with stationary female pronucleus and form synkaryon or zygote. Now the two conjugates get separated and are called X-conjugates. The synkaryon of each X-conjugate divide mitotically 3 times to form 8 micronuclei in each X-conjugate. Out of 8 micronuclei, 4 enlarge and become macronuclei and among other 4 micronuclei, 3 get disappear. The single micronucleus divide and at the same time each X conjugates also divide by binary fission into two cells each having 2 macronuclei and 1 micronucleus. Each daughter cells again divide for second time to form 4 paramecia each having 1 macro and 1 micronucleus. Altogether, 8 daughter paramecia are produced from one pair of conjugates. Significance of conjugation. Rejuvenation. Due to conjugation, weak and old paramecium become young, viable, and energetic. Immortality. No natural death of paramecium and never gets old. Genetic vigor and adaptability. Mutual transfer of hereditary material between conjugates brings about useful variation in their progeny that is suitable for new and changing environment.